A fish tank filled with water weighs 8 kilograms. When it is half full, the tank and water together weigh 5 kilograms. How much does the empty tank weigh? Okay, we can make this question much easier to think about if we use some algebra. So let's start. A fish tank filled with water weighs 8 kilograms. So, the full amount of water, which is represented by FW, plus the weight of the tank itself is equal to 8 kilograms, which we know. Also, when the tank is half full, and the tank weight itself is added to it, we have a total of 5. So, if this is the weight of the water, we have half of this. So, a half of FW, seeing as the tank is half full, plus the same weight of the tank, since the weight of the tank hasn't changed, is actually equal to 5. Now, we can use this to work out what the empty tank weighs, or what we've been using as T in these algebra expressions here. Let's start by modifying this expression to be in terms of just FW. And so we'll get an equation that looks something like FW, and since we have to take 2 away from the bottom here, we need to multiply every other term by 2. So you go plus 2t is equal to, what's 5 times 2? That's 10. Okay, so now using this, we can rearrange and actually take away 2t from both sides. So what we'll be left with is FW, the positive 2t and the negative 2t cancelled out here, and this on the right side we have 10 minus 2t. Now we can substitute what we found from here right back into the first equation that we found. And what that will lead us to is, again, another expression where we've replaced FW with 10 minus 2t. So instead of FW, we'll write 10 minus 2t, and then the rest of the equation, so plus t equals 8. Now, let's solve this and try to find t. What we'll end up with is 10 minus t equals 8. And therefore, rearranging this, we'll get that t is equal to 2. And since we're using t originally to represent the weight of the empty tank, then we know that our answer should be B, 2 kilograms.